Всем привет! Это видео будет немножко необычным. Я отправляюсь в компанию DroneDesign, которая находится в Польше. Эта компания принадлежит моему коллеге и моему подписчику. Мой товарищ не разговаривает, к сожалению, по-русски, поэтому данное видео будет все на английском. Свой разговор на английский я уже давным-давно позабыл.
I'd go hungry, I'd go black and blue.
Так как в жизни мне приходится больше общаться на немецком языке. А для вас у меня есть субтитры. Привет, ребят! Сегодня я нахожусь в Штетине с визитом в компанию DroneDesign. Свой дрон я уже успел и построить, и разбить успешно. Очень было бы интересно узнать, как профессионалы строят свои дроны, какие они имеют мастерские. Все бы ничего, но похоже, что я немножко заблудился. Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry. Hi.
So that's my colleague.
Hi.
It's an expert in drones, and not only drones.
Not an expert.
The small one with brushless motors.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's the brushless.
Smallest drone I have seen on brushless motors.
Actually, this one was also based on the brushless motors. So I also have something for you. I found it recently.
What's this?
F4.
F4 controller.
Yes.
For this board I need a PPM transmitter.
It should behave way much better than your F1.
F1.
Yeah.
My F1 is already
It's
broken.
way much stronger.
Could be more powerful.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Here you are. Okay, so a lot of stuff, a lot of...
What's interesting you have also?
Here is modified cheap Chinese 3D printer. There is also a really tiny wing, also FPV, with 2 cells battery, 300 milliamps. So it's extruded polypropylene. So
Extruded
you can bend it
polypropylene.
and it just goes back.
Nice.
So it's pretty durable.
This one device very stable in flight, yes?
Yes, that's true.
It's
really
a-
stable.
But it's not a regular 433 telemetry.
Actually, it's only for a moment because I had to fly with it yesterday, and I connected it just so. So here is also a Dragon Link, and usually the telemetry goes per Dragon Link.
So you can maybe
You-
also mount here a gimbal with the DSLR camera.
Yes.
Like regular Canon EOS Mark or something else.
Yeah, it can take up to 5 kilograms of payload. So
5 kilograms.
Yes.
Not bad. Why we don't build just drones like Drone World? I think it's
actually, I'm still wondering why.
you have so much toys here.
Yeah, actually, really much. So here will be integrated the ESC inside the carbon fiber tube. It will be just inside. So, so here you have drone for indoor flying.
Oh, indoor racer.
Yes, exactly.
2S battery or?
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
2S 300 milliamps.
Wow.
Yeah. Here are really tiny ESCs, one flight controller inside, and really tiny brushless motors. Here is the carbon fiber plate, but above is PP
Okay.
foam. So even if you crash inside something, the propellers will still rotate and nobody will get harmed. Inside, as I wrote you in the comment of your previous video,
Yeah.
here is stuck by hobby wing. Here is a flight controller.
Also
Here,
a 4, yeah?
is yes, 4-in-1 ESC, up to 40 amps for each motor, so it's pretty much actually. This was built as a long range one, but ultralight. So you can even yeah, make it.
I just heard this crack. It's also foldable,
Yeah,
portable.
it's foldable, so you can transport it easily. So played a little with hydro printing. So you can have really interesting designs. For example, like this one.
3D printed shape. Oh,
Yes, 3D printed shape, but yeah, it was a different design. And you just push it here, and the vacuum forms the shape from that.
nice, very
Then
nice.
you just have to cut it.
So you can do it just at home.
Yes.
Is it for vacuum cleaner?
Yes, exactly. So usual vacuum cleaner. So this servo can rotate 180 degrees. So
No, it's like a gimbal can be used maybe.
yeah,
Not exactly.
something like that.
I have built already
It's not
a
so precise, but
gimbal using servos, but nah.
shit, it's not so good. Yeah, I can show you how does it work.
So you move your head with goggles,
Yes.
and it will follows your movement. Oh, these goggles I have seen already.
Yes. And here is head tracker, which you can easily connect to. Here you have trainer board, and in Taranis you can easily assign the inputs and outputs over here. You just have to have a special cable to connect it to your goggles, and you can have two axes of moving your head. So when you're moving your head in the two sides,
Very
the
nice.
camera can move.
You can just learn how to fly using your own controller.
Yes, exactly.
That's
But on
nice.
the computer. So you can connect the transmitter to your computer, and it behaves like a joystick. You can just fly on your simulator. You can just connect it with the usual USB. I think it's B.
Yeah.
Cable, and it behaves just like a joystick.
It looks like a space shuttle controller.
Actually, it's a really old Futaba, so yeah.
So
It doesn't look like our ones. Here you can have external module. I had a few different types of module for long range systems and for spectrum system. Spectrum DX7, it was my first radio on 2.4 gigahertz.
Oh, you have a
This one has
ID here also.
yes, because when you are taking part in a competition, you have to have this FAE license, and you have to have your own special number for that. It is made by Polish company Art Hobby. They make a really good aircraft.
It's a Balsa, huh?
Yes, it's balsa wood, covered with really thin glass fiber.
Yeah, I see. Oh,
Yeah.
that's reflecting so nice. So, I will put it just back or what? Don't move.
Oh.
Fuck, I crashed also. Everything in your workshop.
I will just put the wing and show you how does the wing moves, because it's also pretty cool.
It's not enough space maybe.
Yeah, I know. Here you have the other wings.
Top.
3 different flight modes. So when I will connect it right now,
Flight mode normal.
I will change to normal. Okay.
No, battery.
Ага. Connected, yeah?
Right now the battery sensor is not connected. When you are moving the aileron, the flaps also moves a little bit.
It's like a channel mixing for flaps.
Yes. And right now on the throttle, you can use only the flaps.
Ага.
So you can stay longer in gliding in one place. And when I change to land,
Flight mode land. No, battery.
it changes to butterfly mode.
Ага.
So you can really use the flaps for landing, really precise landings, and the aileron goes up to create additional drag.
Вот такой интересный визит к моему коллеге у меня получился. Такая вот экскурсия по его мастерской. Очень много интересных вещей у него там имеется. Ребят, подписывайтесь на видео, ставьте лайки. Это мотивирует меня снимать для вас больше интересного контента.